Welcome to another episode of the Strategies for the Workplace podcast. Before getting into the article, just a quick reminder that the book from which these articles are taken is now available on Amazon in print and digital Kindle format. Search for Strategies for the Workplace by Jeffrey Kahn. The book has over 220 articles and is a great way to get all the material without having to wait for the weekly podcasts. And now, on to this week's article. Frog in the boiling water. The expression, a frog in boiling water, is related to two scenarios. In one case, you place a frog in a pot of cool water. The frog remains since it perceives no danger. You slowly raise the temperature of the water, and because the change is gradual, the frog never quite appreciates its peril. Eventually, the frog is boiled to death. In the other case, you place a frog in boiling water. The frog instantly perceives the danger and leaps out, saving itself. In business, you, your team, a project, etc., can be the frog, and circumstances can be the water. The point is that things have gotten out of hand. If you have been faced with the current situation, you would have taken immediate action, but troubles crept up slowly, and you didn't appreciate it. Let's discuss an application. It is common for things to be going along fine and some problem to develop slowly. Initially, you may brush off the challenge, which might be a bad team dynamic, a product defect, an emerging competitor, or something similar. You think all is well and any threats are minor. Over time, the complication gets worse, but at each stage, the situation is only a little more nettlesome than before, and so you feel no urgency to act. Eventually, the problem boils over. At this point, an outsider takes one look at what is going on and asks, "Why haven't you done something? Obviously, this is a crisis." Anyone can spot a disaster that is about to happen or has just happened. It's harder to see one coming. In retrospect, the signs were there, although that is cold comfort now. Try not to dismiss small difficulties when they emerge. Be slow to minimize them. Carefully consider if something is brewing. Bring in someone outside the circle to get a second opinion, for a fresh pair of eyes may see a worrisome pattern that folks close to the issue miss. As a manager, be on guard that your team does not trivialize a challenge that may be small now, but has potential to grow.